On this video, you'll see how to enable GPU acceleration on the latest version of Adobe After Effects CC.
Seen that shit.
Top of the morning to you guys. On this tutorial, I will show you how to enable GPU acceleration on the latest version of Adobe After Effects. Also, if you want to make videos without using your voice just like this one, click the video card on the screen right now. To enable GPU acceleration on After Effects, go to the File drop-down menu and click Project Settings. Over here, under the Video Rendering and Effects tab, it might say Mercury Software only. What you have to do is click on it and select Mercury GPU acceleration. Doing so will make After Effects use your dedicated graphics card for previews and rendering, making your RAM previews load faster and videos render relatively faster because the GPU will take most of the graphics-intense workload off the CPU. Now, if the option to change this setting is grayed out, it's pretty easy to fix it. All you have to do is close After Effects, go to the location where Adobe After Effects is installed, and add the name of your GPU to a text file. The default installation folder for After Effects is on the screen right now. If you can't find the installation folder, right-click on an After Effects shortcut, click on Properties, and then click on Open File Location. If that shortcut leads to another shortcut, just follow the same steps till you land on this folder. On the search field, type Raytracer and hit Enter. If you don't get a search result of a text file with this name, you'll have to manually create a new text file. To do so, right-click on an empty area in the desktop, go to New, and click on Text Document. Rename this new text file with the name that you see on the screen right now. You can copy the name from the video description. Open the text file that you found or created and add the name of your GPU to it. This part is really important as you must type the exact chip name of your GPU over here. To find the chip name of your GPU, on your keyboard, press the Windows key +R. Type DXDiag in the field and click OK. Click on the Display tab on this new window. It will show you the name of your GPU. You must type this name in the text file. If you created a new text file, type your GPU name on that. If not, type it on the text file that you found. After editing the text file, you have to manually save it to the desktop. Make sure to type the correct file name and click Save. Then drag it back to the After Effects folder. Click Replace the file in the destination. When it requests administrator permission, click Continue. Now, you can open Adobe After Effects again and try to enable GPU acceleration. Go to the File menu and click on Project Settings. The drop-down menu should not be grayed out like it did before. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any trouble following this tutorial, leave a comment in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe and stay tuned for more. Peace out.